Thank you so much for watching another channel. Yes guys, and this one is coming from House Scheme, and this is right at the edge of Poor Man's Corner, guys, and this is one of the scheme they got around here. And yes guys, I'm starting this video from the edge of Poor Man's Corner, and this one is going to be taking you right into Arties, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to always like, subscribe and share this video, guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. Yes guys, so here in my country lifestyle, you know, this is going to be a village tour, guys. I'm giving you a neighborhood village tour. Yes, so nice, you know, guys. I'm just coming from a place called Morant Bay, and well, I come from License. I was coming from License and Spring Garden and Morant Bay, so 3 places I travel at the same time, guys. So this is a nice little place to walk, guys, you know. And over here, so there's a little football pitch where the kids they come and play sometime and things like that, you know. So it's a nice place to enjoy. So I really love the place, guys, you know. You can see all over here as well, you know. It's all nice, you know. And you know, as well, I remember I was telling you guys that onion is the very good crop for this place, you know. So this is a part of the local village lifestyle, you know. So over here is onion, guys, you know. Yeah, and they got the little pipes running. So this is what I will need to do for my land when I come as well, guys. So I will need to do some of that, hopefully. Yes, I'm going to do some of that. Right, and look over here as well, guys, you know. So if you look at all the tires over here, I really love the way they done it. You see the way they paint it up and all that, you know, to look nice over here and over here. So this is how I would like to do my yard as well. If I can't find any tires, it's best to find stone. It's not easy to find these tires, guys, you know. So these are tires, and someone is burning something over there, just like what I do when I'm doing my country lifestyle. I like to do my burning. Yeah, I really love it. Yes, it's not difficult to get that, guys, you know. The name of the thing, guys, you can mix it, you know. You paint these stones with it, you know. It's not, it's kind of what they used to mark trucks, guys, you know, the lines, like when they are gonna have a sport day. Yes, guys, we are still, you know, on Poor Man's Corner Road. Yes, still walking here on Poor Man's Corner Road, and we here a place called, we're passing through the place called, you know, Hills View Garden. Yes, guys, so we are just passing through Hills View Garden. Yes, and this is the walk that's going to take us, you know, to Arties. Nice, guys, look over there, you know, you guys, I'm with the truck over there. Yes. And then this tree here, guys, in the local village life called Coolie plum tree. And you can see small ones around it, guys, but these are too young, so these cannot be eaten. Yes, cannot eat. I come over this side, guys, because that's a blind spot, and you got to be careful things don't come around and knock you down, you know. It's very dangerous, very dangerous indeed. And over here we got the Gospel Church. Well, the Gospel Chapel is a chapel, guys. Yes, it's a chapel. My apology. Yes, they'll call it a chapel over this side. And you can see mango season is coming up, guys. Look at that. This says April, but you can already see the trees are already blossoming, you know, to bear mangoes over there, guys. And that's the chapel, is right over that side. Yes, the chapel. Yes, lots of people burning rubbish. Well, that's the way to prevent, you know, germs and, you know, disease and things like that. So the best thing to do is to burn the rubbish, you know. Yes, I'd rather they do that. That is the wise thing to do. See the road here, guys, there's a lot of bending. Yes, lots of bending. Let me walk off the road, because I know, yes, I'm not taking no chances when I see a car like that. This scheme down here is nice, guys, you know, but yes, I remember I did that road before. Yeah, it looked very familiar. Yes, really, really nice down there. It's a nice little village down there, you know. It's a scheme as well, guys. Yeah, that is another part of this scheme as well. It's really, really nice. I wonder what that guy have in his hands. Look like you have some biscuits and some cheap chips there, so it must be a little business, or they look like pillows. Look like he's selling them. Harder, or maybe it's been harder than sent for somebody. I don't know. Yes guys, we are coming towards Arties now. So we are just coming out of Poorman's Corner now. So yeah, so we're coming on here to Arties. Yes guys, we are coming up into Arties now. People drive so crazy around here. Good evening.
Evening.
Yes guys, you see how we're walking. They don't even know that I'm recording. They don't even know what I have in my hand. It maybe look like I'm walking with a telephone, but it's a camera I'm walking with. Some people can recognize it, some people won't. Most of the people will not realize, you know. I mean, easily, even if someone pick up even this camera and say, you're recording, I can easily say, no, I'm just on a video call. And I could more likely get away with it, you know. You know, so I could say I'm on a video call talking to my friend. You know, I got the screen here, and everything is here. Yes, and this is how you get away with it. But anyway, I mean, I'm just showcasing the place, guys. I'm not doing anything on spite or anything like that, you know. To make anyone feel in a way like I'm putting a camera on them or what, you know. Yeah, come through, driver, come through. Yes man, so we're coming up, you know, to where the ball ground is now. So see over this side is so many nice flowers. Look how beautiful that is, guys, and the house as well. Okay, well, this is kind of how I want to do my roof, guys, like this. You see, if you look on top there, guys, that is how I want to do my roof, just like that. So when I fix up the front of my house, I want the rooftop to be like that, guys. Right up there where you see, they have the tank, guys. So that is what I want my top to be. I want it to be exactly like that. And yes, guys, I know we're coming up in the art of Arties, and now this one now is where we're coming, you know, to the ball ground. So this is where I said I was walking to, guys. So finally we're reaching the district now. Yes, I'm so happy to reach up here. You know, it's very, very nice. It's very beautiful here, guys. It's a beautiful place. Look, you have nice houses around here as well. It's not like before. I mean, you don't really get no problems around here at all. Around here is really, really nice and safe to stay, guys. Before, it used to be bad one time, guys, to be honest with you, but the bad boys them who used to live around here, you know, police has taken them in, and they're not allowed to come back to this district anymore. So this area, to be honest with you guys, is very peaceful. You're foreigner, whatever you are, you're not going to have any problems around here. And this is where I live as well, guys. It's a part of my home, so if anybody wants to see this place, you know, it's best to come around here, guys. Come around here and see me. Yeah. I don't know if my friend is in. I feel like going down and see a friend called Iceland. I don't know if they're in, guys. We're gonna go and say a little quick hello anyway. And yeah, this is where I'm going to be finishing the video for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to always subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, guys. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Sign out from Jamaica, here in Arties. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys. You know, so I'm very famous in this country.